Hey, it's Greg over at DIY RV and Home. Thought I'd bring you a little tip that I'm using on transferring fuel over into my generator without killing my back or making a complete mess by using those fuel spouts that the government so much wants us to use nowadays. Anyways, I picked this up, runs off of 2D batteries, and simple stick it in, turn the pump on, and away she starts flowing. Now, the specs say it's supposed to do about 2.5 gallons a minute. This, I had to put about 2 gallons into this, so I'm going to say it was actually more around a little over a gallon a minute, but I'd say that it was win-win for me because I didn't have to sit there for a couple minutes trying to hold that gas tank while trying to keep that fuel spout from popping out and going all over the place and fighting it and getting fuel all over my fuel tank, all over the ground, all over myself, whatever. And so as you can see, we're about 50 seconds in, about halfway through getting it filled up. And for the most part, even after you shut it off, the fuel will drain back down the pump back into the fuel tank. So it was a very minimal, if any, spill from it. And what I did after I got done is I just went and put it in the, put it off to the side, let it, the gas evaporate off, and I've had no problem with it. Also topped off my truck fuel tank. We had gone in way deep camping, and thought I might as well just top what was left in that fuel tank into the truck just to make sure I can get back out and real easy, quick. So here it is. I mean, we're getting close to being done, and final time on that was about a minute 46 seconds. Like I said, that was about 2 gallons, a little over 2 gallons to do. So I thought I'd just let you guys check this out. So far it's been working good. There's some good reviews, bad reviews. Link in the description below to this particular model, and there is actually several out available and fairly inexpensive. This one was about 13 bucks. So hope you guys have a great day and see you on the next video.